So I have tripled my investment with just this one cryptocurrency. And no, that is not clickbait. This is legit. This is actually true. And I'm so excited. So excited to talk about this because I invested in this crypto when it was 60 cents. And if you guys have been paying attention to the market, you know what crypto I'm talking about as far as one of the top performing ones in the past week. Algorand. Algorand is a crypto that I invested in Coinbase as just a crypto to stake. Like they offered it on Coinbase, 6% is what they were giving at the time. And for APY on Coinbase, that was the highest one. So I invested in Algorand. I was like, you know what? 6% APY. If I'm investing, I'm going to go ahead and put it into Algorand and just let it accumulate and just get compound interest over time. So that was, how long ago was that? That was a while ago. Let's go to the charts. So here is Algorand. We're looking at the charts on Coinbase here. We go back a year. So I invested into Coinbase way back here around early February, late January, when it was 60 cents. And my investment in Coinbase has tripled or more. So this is something that like I've just been, every time that I mine, what I do is I take my mining profits and I distribute them amongst different cryptocurrencies. So I'll leave some in Bitcoin, I'll distribute into Ethereum, I distribute into Algorand, I distribute it into Cardano and different things. Cardano pumped, I made some profit. But when I jumped into Cardano, it was already well over $1. I think it was like $1.50 at that point. So when it pumped, I didn't make as much. But Algorand, I had invested in earlier on. Again, like I told you, when it was about 60 cents. And my investment of initially $300 initially started pumping. And Algorand became one of my top performing cryptos on Coinbase. It's not my highest crypto that I currently hold, but it's up there. And so far, the all time high of Algorand has been $2.50, and once it hit that peak, I took profit. You always want to take some profit, guys. Not a financial advisor though. I'm just telling you what I do. I'm just giving you an example of things that I do and best practices that I look at. Sitting on Coinbase's popularity, it is the 13th most held crypto. And I think it's actually jumped up pretty high on other cryptos or on other markets as well. So like I think on CoinGecko it's sitting at number 16 out of top 100. And I mean, look, that's a lot of that has to do with people FOMOing in, right? People see the Algorand pump that happened up to 250. I think it went to 255. I think was the all-time high. That is a very, it might actually be more than that. It might be 257. But regardless, it's in the 250s, right? So it doesn't matter. It's in the 250s. Whatever the case may be. I took profits there, and I took a good profit. And then I reinvested it when Algorand dipped under $2. And so that investment shot up again. Went up to $2, went up to 220, 230. Currently, as you can see, it's sitting at 207. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm going to keep holding it because every day I get more Algorand. And again, that has to do with the compound interest and just holding the crypto. The longer I hold it, the more I hold of it, the more I'm going to get it. You know, currently Coinbase is giving at 4%. Again, not financial advice. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm telling you what happened this past week. I was very happy to wake up and all of a sudden see my investment tripled. That is insane. And I'm so happy to, like, I'm not even kidding. I woke up to go take my kids to school, and I check it like I always do. I check it, and 250, $2.50. This is why you want to get in early on coins. Doesn't matter what coin it is. If you have some money that you want to invest in, even if it's just a couple dollars, again, not financial advice, but even if it's just a couple dollars, you know, some people might tell you, oh, that coin's not going anywhere, or oh, that's a bad investment. You never know in the crypto market. In the crypto market, anything can take off. Look what happened to Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin back in, what was it, March, April, May, it pumped to 70 cents. I made a good money off of that. My $5 investment in Dogecoin turned into $100. I took that $100 profit and I reinvested it. Some of it went into algorand, some of it went into Bitcoin. I don't remember the you know how much of it, but I mean maybe it was 50-50, whatever the case may be, right? So you never know in the crypto market. The crypto market is extremely volatile. It's one of the reasons why I actually enjoy it, because it's so much fun to watch the numbers go, to watch to be able to play with the numbers, to know, okay, I'm gonna take profit here, and if I'm gonna reinvest, and for the reinvestment to be worth it, where I still have some profit, I need to reinvest when it hits this low point. And that way, I still have profit off the top, and I reinvest and basically buy back the amount that I sold. That's the mentality that I have when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to investing and reinvesting and swing trading. I know a lot of you guys don't like swing trading. I'm not a big swing trader myself, but again, it's all numbers game, and knowing where to take the profits and where to reinvest, that has a lot to do with it. If it pumped again to 255 and I took profit at 255 and I reinvested at $2, then again, I make a huge profit depending on how much profit I took off the top and how much I reinvest. Every time I take profit, I always want to reinvest the amount that or as far as when I say the amount of cryptocurrency, not the dollar amount, the amount of cryptocurrency. I always want to reinvest that. Okay, so if I sold 200 coins for algorand, if I sold 200 algorand coins at $2.50, I want to buy those 200 coins back at as close to $2 as possible, so that way I make a good profit. That's what I'm doing. Again, not financial advice. I'm telling you guys what I do when it comes to my profits that I make off of mining. I wish I could mine algorand, but algorand's not a mineable coin. It is a proof of stake coin, which I'm okay with that. And a lot of the pumping had to do with a lot of the news that dropped with algorand, a lot of the things that's going on with it, and I can't wait to see this pump even more. I can't wait, just like some of the other investments that I'm making as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I appreciate it, and let me know what you guys are investing in. I should have asked this in the beginning, but I'm gonna ask it now. Let me know what you guys are investing in as far as your own cryptocurrencies. What are the coins that you feel are going to pump? I want to know, because I'm always open to new investments. I am. That's why I play in so many different crypto fields. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new. Happy mining.